All right, look, you want to make a Miata a snowmobile? Okay. You want to take a Miata and make it the world's happiest looking skateboard? Okay. You want to take a Miata and turn it into the ultimate off-roading Baja vehicle? Well, that's what they did. The Rad Factory have taken a Miata and pushed the platform to the absolute limit. They were nice enough to invite me out to their property and say, hey man, you want to jump a Miata? And I'm thinking, you know, maybe some baby jumps over some whoops or something. Nope, they meant a 50-foot jump. So what's it like driving the world's raddest Miata? Let's go for a drive and find out. Hey guys, just a quick little note. I actually have a detailed product brand called Patterson Car Care. It's all original formulas and they work amazing, especially our wheel cleaner. If you hate cleaning your wheels, this will make your life so easy. So if you never got the chance to try it or you're wanting to try it, this is the perfect time to, because we're having a 35% off blowout sale. 35% off everything on PattersonCarCare.com using the coupon code SAVEBIG. But thank you guys so much for listening really quick, and back to the video. Sir, introduce yourself.
My name is Dylan Fole. I run a channel called The Rad Factory, and this is my Baja Miata.
I think you're undermining the situation. Yeah, cut to the chase. When he sent me the first photo of this car, it was like 50 feet in the air. It seemed like, I don't know how high it was, but it was bananas when I saw the photo. I've been fortunate enough to drive some rally Miatas where people do like the tie rod extension and stuff like that, where they can go off-road, but they can't really do cool stuff, you know? So when you sent me this, I was like, okay, what makes that one different from the rally ones that everybody does? It seems to be it's a lot. So we're gonna,
It's a lot.
It's a lot. Would you mind just giving a quick breakdown of essentially the Baja Miata? So essentially you use a bunch of like King shocks and you integrate it into the chassis itself. I think that's what's so interesting about it.
Yes, pre-runner Baja build basically. So we've got 10-inch coilovers in the front and back. Provides about 12 inches of travel.
Crazy.
So when we hit these 50-foot jumps, it'll feel like nothing. We got bump stops in the rear. It's the raddest Miata that I've ever driven, so I don't know.
Also, fun fact, it's supercharged. But you said it made a blistering, like 117 wheel.
Yeah, I just had it at the dyno last week, and we got to 117. We got 30-inch tires on it. Yeah. UTV tires.
It's gonna rob a lot.
So yeah, it stock was 80. So the supercharger did add quite a bit.
Wanna have some fun?
Let's have some fun.
Let's do it.
We haven't figured out the electrical system yet. We have a drain, battery drain, and so we got to jump box it.
I'm just gonna get used to it first and kind of
just
putt around. Is it still the factory power steering and stuff?
It is, yeah.
Cool.
Modified tie rods. Tie rods and steering angles were the biggest deal for us.
The first impression is so funny because you have the flip-ups in front of you. And you're like, okay, this feels normal. I got the Miata dash, this feels normal. And then I'm like, wait, I'm suspiciously high right now. And then you're like, wait a minute, the flip-ups are going through tall grass.
Yeah, we're in a field.
And we're just in a field, putting around.
Driving next to 50-foot jumps that maybe we'll work up to in a little bit.
You also, it sounded like you guys made your own roll cage as well, right?
Yep, totally custom built roll cage. It was our first time doing it, and it actually turned out great. The car is set up to be legal for real Baja racing. So there's requirements of like, helmet has to be 3 inches from the cage in all directions, and so it is a lot. It does stick up pretty good. Once
you understand the dynamics of how light the car is, and I think the funniest thing to me is the poke, just how massive these 30 inches are.
The suspension kit we got, it's made by a company called Paco Motorsports. It's a off-roadster kit is what they call it, and we modified it extensively, but it does add about a foot of width to the overall car.
Okay, all right. Under braking, you get a little razzle-dazzle?
Yeah, a little razzle-dazzle. Kind of on everything.
Are you typically in second gear, I'm assuming, or first gear?
For the corners, we're first gear.
Okay.
And then...
I'm working up to it, right? Yeah. We're getting there.
Yeah, because you can drift these pretty good.
off the mic. You know how it works, right?
Yeah.
So my microphone just fell off. It was worth it though. Woo! There she is.
There you go.
This thing rips, dude.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
This is so much fun because you're right at the limit of the power of just being able to just completely enjoy it.
Yep.
Right? You don't have to overthink, too much oversteer, too much understeer. It just does it. You're just like, okay, if I just keep my eyes up, I know where I'm going, and it works.
It's still a Miata at the end of the day.
Yes.
Like, we changed a lot, but like, it just still does feel like a Miata. Like, the weight is about the same. We're still only 2,300 with me in it, so probably,
Oh my God.
you know, 2,150.
All right, what's next, dude? What are we doing next? It's up to you.
We can hit the jumps. I'll take you over at first and then see how you
Let's do it.
feel.
Yeah. Dylan was kind enough to take me for a ride in order to feel what the jumps were like. It is absolutely obvious this is not his first time doing it, because it couldn't have gone smoother. I'm good. Yeah. It's so sick, dude.
to do it.
I can do it.
You wanna do
I'm
it?
pretty confident, only if you're comfortable.
Yeah.
Okay. So when it was time for me to jump the Miata, I had to build up a little bit of courage. I've done just about everything in motorsports you could imagine, except a jump this big. But I jumped an old Cadillac off a rally jump, which was probably way less safe than this. The first jump, I came up a little short, but it was a good stepping stone. Thank you so much.
Yeah, dude.
Life goal, achievement unlocked.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you feel about those? Do you feel good about those?
Feel good, yeah.
All right.
It's a little scary riding past
It is.
somebody else jumping your car.
Yeah, not only riding with someone, but in the air at 50 feet, dude. Yeah, but dude, that was amazing.
You nailed it.
Woo! Yeah, I feel great. You get that good adrenaline.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy. You know what they say? Don't do one more.
No,
we got it. We nailed it. We did it safe. Everything was good. All right, I could have gone faster. I know I could have, but I think, was it right on the cusp?
Yeah, we a little bit overshot the second one, so it was, you were good.
But dude, what an amazing time. Wow.
I get more adrenaline in the passenger seat than I do in the driver's seat.
Well, you're not in control, right? You're like, I have no idea what's going to happen, right? All right. Mind if I shut it off real quick?
Yeah.
Dylan, we conquered the beast, dude.
You conquered it,
yeah,
man.
Dude.
It's not nothing, like, to come out and jump a car, like...
The first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
Who needs a cup of coffee when you just need to jump a Miata?
Yeah.
The car, is just so confidence inspiring once you get the momentum going. I feel like if you're going a little too slow, you're like, all right, I gotta work some things out right now. But once you're up to speed, you're like, it'll do it. You just know it's gonna do it.
Yep.
And that's a testament to your all's work, because I got in it, didn't really know what to expect today, right? I got the helmet hair going on, excuse me, but didn't know what to expect today. And I think the most surprising one was the third jump. The third jump I thought was going to be much scarier than I imagined. It was still gnarly, right? I'm not undermining this at all. I'm saying as in when I was riding passenger with you, I was like, oh, we're high up right now. You know, you just kind of have this like flat line, like I accept my fate kind of thing. What an experience, man. You guys have done an amazing job on this thing.
Thank you.
It's been so much fun to drive. Going around the corners is fun. It kind of checks every box, you know, because I think off-road in general has had such a huge explosion because you can just do whatever you want. Showing up with your car in a trailer, just knowing you can go 100% the whole time without any worry, it's just, there's something very fulfilling about that.
That's the best.
Dude.
We're very lucky to have this property and this track.
Yeah, I was like, you guys got a heck of a setup, man.
Yeah, shout out to Shred 80 and John Biken for building the
jumps are really well done, dude.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah,
thank you so much. Please plug all your stuff right now.
All right, the Rad Factory on everything, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. We're blowing up. We're doing cool stuff.
He's doing really cool stuff, including a snowmobile, but that's a jet ski. So,
yeah.
To look at the, you said the Snowmo jet?
It's the Snowmo jet. We took an old 80s Exciter snowmobile and turned it into a jet ski snowmobile hybrid so that no matter if it's summer or if it's winter, you can get ripping.
But yeah, on that note, typically upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays. Check them out, please, because they are nothing but hospitable today. I'll see y'all later. Goodbye.